Navigating through the Curriculum Leads dashboard. Step 1, Home Dashboard. This is the first page you see after logging in. It gives you a welcome message and shows quick updates or statistics. Step 2, Staff. Here, you can view all teachers and staff under your supervision. You can also check their PLC participation and records. Step 3, Messages. This is where you send or receive messages. Look here for announcements, reminders, or feedback. Step 4, Resources. A library of documents, training manuals, and guides. You can download lesson plans and curriculum support materials here. Step 5, PCDP Report. This section is for Professional Continuous Development Program PCDP reports. Use it to upload or check reports related to teacher development. Step 6, Attendance and Meeting. Here, you can record attendance for PLC meetings. It also shows a list of past and upcoming meetings. Step 7, PLC Report Form. This is where you fill out or upload your PLC reports. It's the main place to submit session details and outcomes. Step 8, Monitoring and Evaluation. This section is used to track progress and performance. It helps you evaluate how PLC sessions are being implemented. Step 9, PLC Checklist. A simple checklist to guide you during PLC sessions. Use it to make sure all required steps are followed. Step 10, Submissions. Shows all reports or forms you have submitted. You can check the status of each submission here. Step 11, Regional Data. Displays statistics and data for your region. Useful for comparing progress across circuits or districts. Step 12, FAQ. A list of frequently asked questions. Helpful when you need quick answers or guidance. Step 13, Question and Answers. A space to ask and answer questions.